Here in the sanctuary, the alligators live undisturbed, a testament to conservation efforts.
Watch the edges on that pallet.
Yeah, got it. Move the jack forward.
The pressurized water jets blast away the lime residue. The skin then moves to the delimbing and baiting drums, conditioning the fibers into workable leather. Here in the pickling department, the hides are submerged in a carefully balanced acid and salt solution, preparing the collagen fibers for tanning.
The wet blue alligator skins, now stabilized leather, are wheeled in. The splitting machine activates.
To achieve that luxurious drape, the dry skins are fed into the staking machine.
Absolutely flawless. Grade A. We can move this to the cutting room immediately.
The worker aligns the reinforcement with practiced precision.
The final pressing department is a controlled environment where temperature, humidity, and pressure are
The rhythmic thumping ensures the fibers are evenly stretched, transforming the rigid panel into something truly supple and soft. The meticulous process involves applying a deep brown-black edge paint, followed by a transparent sealant. Once sealed and logged, the package moves to the dispatch bay, ready for its final journey in our luxury transport fleet.
Unveiling the artisan jacket, note the flawless seams, polished brass hardware, and the rich burgundy silk lining. The stand collar requires a delicate touch, as its edge will be visible. The blade, set at a shallow angle,
It's starting to take shape now. The symmetry is exactly as planned.
The protective leather guards are meticulously basted and stitched into place. The specialist tests the zipper multiple times.
And that is what we call a perfect line. No pooling, no wavering, just right.
The agate tool transforms the matte paint into a glass smooth finish, creating that unmistakable marker of...
Ah, perfect. That is exactly right. The steam really brings out the best in the leather.
increasing temperature by 0.5 degrees. Monitor humidity levels in Zone 4.
From the elevated walkway, the sheer scale of the operation is clear. The drums below represent the heart of the tanning process.
It's approved. The color match is perfect. Logging approval now.
The staking machine processes the dried skins. As the leather is worked back and forth through the oscillating roller,
The rotary knife parts the alligator leather with surgical precision. A small bone folder gently presses along the cut edges.
This part is always difficult. Gently now, keep the tension even around the curve.
The audio features the soft, continuous rustling of silk fabric against the subtle creaking of heavy leather.
The hardware installation begins with this custom brass zipper, hand-basted with microscopic precision before the final stitch secures it against the silk lining.
the snap buttons are solid brass discs with a custom machined profile. The seamster uses a hand press.
Yes, there we are. It settles beautifully.
Here is the shipment for Route 7.
Confirmed. Scanning now. Looks good for factory load.
Are we still on for tomorrow?
Yeah, I think so. Depends on the weather.
See you guys later.
For the master seamster, the morning ritual is sacred. A lifetime of precision distilled into these first few stitches. From the water plant below, the skins arrive. It is here, guided by the steady hand of the colorist,
The final brushing ritual is performed with reverence for form.
The journey is complete.